Have you ever felt like no matter how hard you work, your financial situation doesn't really improve? You earn, you spend, maybe you save a little, but somehow, real progress feels slow or even stuck. What if the problem isn't just your income or expenses, but the way you think about money itself? Today, we're uncovering the money beliefs that are quietly keeping people broken, how those beliefs shape financial outcomes. To truly understand this, we have to look at the intersection of psychology and economics. Historically, our survival instincts were designed for a world of scarcity, not the complex financial systems we navigate today. If you want to start building smarter money habits, consider subscribing to Wealtiny and liking the video so you don't miss future insights. Let's start with one of the most common hidden beliefs. Money is hard to earn. On the surface, this sounds realistic. But when this belief becomes ingrained, it can limit how you approach opportunities. You may avoid trying new income streams or hesitate to negotiate. Pattern interrupt. If you believe money is always difficult to earn, your brain will stop scanning for efficiency and focus only on the struggle. Another powerful belief is, I'm just not good with money. This may come from past mistakes or lack of experience. In psychology, this is a self-fulfilling prophecy. If you believe you're bad with money, you're less likely to track it or improve your habits. Pattern interrupt. What if the issue isn't your ability, but the story you keep telling yourself? Changing the narrative is the first step. Another belief is, saving money is enough. Saving is important, but by itself, it rarely builds significant wealth due to inflation. Saving keeps the engine idling. Investing puts the car in gear. Think of your money as a tiny seed. Another limiting belief is, I'll focus on money later. This is one of the most expensive beliefs over time because of compounding. The cost of waiting is invisible but very real. In 10 years, you'll wish you had started today. There's also the belief that more money will solve everything without discipline. Increased income often leads to increased spending. This is lifestyle inflation. Imagine a miniature figure making more money, but instantly buying a bigger, more expensive miniature house. Another quiet belief is, rich people are different from me. This creates a mental separation between where you are and where you could be. But wealth is often built through repeatable habits. It's built brick by tiny brick. Let's look at another. I need to know everything before I start. This often shows up as overthinking and delaying action. Pattern interrupt. Progress comes from action, not perfect understanding. Execution is the ultimate teacher. Another belief is, it's too late for me, while starting earlier is beneficial. Starting now is always better than not starting at all. When you replace limiting beliefs with constructive ones, your behavior shifts. You start taking action and building systems that support growth. These changes may seem small, but they compound. Even a 1-degree shift in direction leads to a different destination over time. Identify one money belief you've been carrying. Write it down. Then rewrite it into a more constructive version that encourages action. Pair that new belief with one small financial action: saving, investing, or tracking your spending. Do it within the next 24 hours. If you want to keep learning how to shift your financial mindset, subscribe to Wealtiny and turn on the notification bell. Once you change the way you think about money, you change the way money flows. The legacy you build tomorrow starts today.